Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I am going to show you some creative farmhouse decor ideas for your dreamy farmhouse. Create something for your home with these farmhouse decor ideas. Each idea is a project that takes you through recreating the looks step by step. There is a wide variety of tutorials that include stained ceiling, woodworking, and everything in between. Each project will give you that farmhouse look that you love and that great feeling for a job well done. Decorating in farmhouse style does not need to be difficult. This project will help transform your home into a place you love to be, and best of all, most of these ideas are simple, quick, and can be put together in an afternoon. This rustic blanket leather would look great in just about every style of home. Change the wood stain and types of blankets you hang on it and you have a whole new look. The best part about the project is that it costs less than $25 to make. This is a simple woodworking project that even a beginner should be able to handle. Build this gorgeous centerpieces tray to adorn your dining room table. This intermediate building project will show you how. Change the stain and add your choice to filler to make it truly match your style. Mix farmhouse elements like reclaimed wood and industrial elements like pipe and you have a stunning combination. Instructions for putting everything together and adding a stain seal are all included in this project. Job cloth curtains are going to instantly add a farmhouse feel to any room you hang them in. They also add a good amount of privacy. The best part of these curtains, you don't have to sew anything. If you are looking for a budget farmhouse decor idea, this is a great one. Thrift an old tobacco basket, craft a wooden sink, and then add some greenery to create the basket. This would look great on the front porch but would really fit anywhere in your home. With some basic sewing skill, you can make this lumber pillow that would look great atop to your bed or guest bed. It's made with taking fabrics, which a really hot gives it its farmhouse look. Using a photo transfer method, you will learn how to make this chalkboard, cutting board. Throw a magnet on the back and you have a reusable shopping list for your fridge. Take an inexpensive galvanized planter and learn how to use it with this tutorial. The best part of this project is that it uses a lot of items that you already have on hand. You can build these beautiful pottery barns inspired cubby shelves to put all your other farmhouse treasures in. These stunning shelves can be built for just $15 in supplies. This handmade general store sink would look great in your farmhouse kitchen. It is rustic and charming, and you will learn how to make it in an afternoon. Treat yourself to some new laundry basket with this tire. This process takes you through building the base, wires around, and then the laundry bag. besides being the great for laundry. This can also be used to keep hard to store items clothed. Farmhouse meets rustic in this DIY project that starts with shelves, fence plants. These fence plants are transformed with the stencil and rustic touch, like the hangers and hooks. You will find 3 upcycling projects here that will give you a instant farmhouse style. Take an instant exciting lamp, stool or drawer mat and follow this simple decoration to get the same look. Mix the best of industrial with the best of farmhouse by making this wooden sink that's perfect for the bathroom. If you don't need any more bathroom decor, keep in mind that you could use the same technique for any set of ladders for dancing and works in any room. Add a farmhouse style touch to any room with this free pattern or art prints. There are 18 in all and include blueprints for windmills, barns, tractors and silos. There are a few other ones, printables here too, that you won't want to miss. Create something for your home with these DIY farmhouse decor ideas. Each idea is a project that takes you through recreating the look step by step. There is a wide variety of tutorials that include stenciling, woodworking and everything in between. Each project will give you that farmhouse look that you love and that great feeling of a job well done. Decorating in farmhouse style does not need to be difficult. This project will help transform your home into a place you love to be. And best of all, most of these ideas are simple, quick and can be put together in an afternoon. This rustic blanket leather would look great in just about every style of home. Change the wood stain and types of blankets you hang on it and you have a whole new look. The best part about this project is that it costs less than $25 to make. This is a simple woodworking project that even a beginner should be able to handle. I express my sincere gratitude to those whose tireless work, designs and images I have presented to you in the form of videos. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you everyone.